Hey guys, Dave with First Place Auto Parts, and at First Place we have got a lot of parts to restore or modify your American muscle car or truck. And in today's video what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the interior section of what First Place Auto Parts offers, and we are proud to offer PUI Interiors. And I'll tell you what guys, PUI Interiors has been making restoration quality replacement interiors for the American muscle car for over 40 years. They have the process down. These products are jam-packed with details that any restorer or someone who's putting their car back to the way it was is sure to appreciate. Details such as automotive-grade vinyl that is the correct color in sheen and thickness, but most importantly, it also has the correct grain. It mimics the OE grain exactly. Other things like the dielectric detail that's imparted into this door panel, it doesn't matter if you had an SS, an RS, a standard or deluxe interiors, PUI has gone the long yard and verified the detail that goes on your door panels and your seats and even your headliners, and has mimicked that as well. And look guys, they offer it in tons of colors. If it was a factory color, PUI offers it, and so does First Place Auto Parts. A lot of manufacturers, look guys, on something like a door panel, they skimp. We'll use something like masonite or cardboard, traditional cardboard for a door panel, and what's wrong with that is it'll absorb water. What PUI Interiors has done is they have specified automotive grade, again, a door panel board that's poly-impregnated, which means it will not absorb water and swell. So just what you get with PUI products is a high quality product that will last a long time, and it mimics the car. What it came with originally, exactly. And look, the beautiful thing is if you have a popular GM, Ford, or Mopar muscle car or truck, PUI Interiors has the product, and so does First Place Auto Parts. Guys, when it comes time to restoring your car, please check out the First Place Auto Parts website. Look, it's super easy to use. It's open 24 hours, 7 days a week, and there you will find exactly what you need to bring your car back up to its OE quality standards, or maybe you just want to do a simple replacement or refresh on your car. We've got what you need. We appreciate you watching. We appreciate your business, guys. And go to First Place Auto Parts for all your interior needs, where you will find the high quality PUI interiors in every color, in every shape and style that you need. Anything from seat upholstery, seat foam, door panels to headliners and sun visors, we've got it. Until next time, guys, keep the hammer down and keep it between the guardrails.